Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine at your homes. Now, beta, as you all know, we have already completed 2 units from English Reader, and from today onwards, we are starting with our grammar portion. First of all, I will tell you the name of your book. This year, we are having English grammar book titled A Graded English Grammar and Composition, and it is from Kohinoor Publications. Now, beta, we are starting with the vocabulary section. First, we will do the vocabulary chapters which are easy to understand, and through e learning also we can understand them. So, we are starting with our first chapter as synonyms. It is chapter 28 of your book. As you all know, in your previous classes also you have studied about synonyms. What are synonyms? Synonyms are the words which have similar meaning to another word. Means the words which have either same or a similar meaning to that particular word which is given to you. Now, beta, some synonyms are given to you in the book. So I'll send you the pages. You can study them out, and then we'll do the exercise. Now let's come to the exercise. Exercise A is give the synonyms for the following words. The first word is edible. What is edible, beta? Edible is eatable, which you can eat. Then prompt. Prompt is quick, like a quick reply or a prompt reply. Then we have deceive. Deceive means to cheat someone. Fine. Then we have quiet. Quiet is silent. You all know, na? In library also we are reading keep quiet. That is silent. It's not quiet or quit. It is quiet. Silent. Then we have tiny. Tiny means small. You can write tiny also and you can write small also. Both meaning are same. Then we have start means to begin something. When we are starting our lecture, suppose, or the game is about to start, then we use start or begin. Then we have waste. Waste means anything useless that is not useful to you. Odor is smell. It is basically a foul smell, not a fragrance. Fine, like body odor and all. Then we have still. Still is stationary. See the spelling Stationary. Here we won't write NERY because this is stationary means कोई भी चीज़ जब still होती है. It is not that stationary like pens, pencils and erasers that you buy. Then we have astonish. Astonish is surprise, something surprising. Then assist. Assist means to help someone. Huge is enormous, very big. Expensive, you all know it's very easy, costly. Then mistake is error. Then cautious, be careful. Like हम बोलते हैं ना कि भाई careful रहो, cautious रहो. So that is careful. Drowsy, sleepy, this also you have done before. Then vacant is empty. Reluctant, unwilling, when you are not willing to do something. Ample is plentiful, बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा में. ठीक है, plenty of. Generous is kind. ठीक है. Now these were some of the synonyms in your exercise A. Now come to exercise B. Beta, exercise B is pick out the word which is similar in meaning to the word in bold in each group. Actually, in your book, some words are given to you and their options are there. Means 4 words are also given in front of that word, and from those 4 words you have to choose the appropriate synonym for the particular word given. Here I am not writing the all the 4 options. I am writing just the answers. I have written the answers only. Like the first word is prohibit. Prohibit means forbid, कि किसी भी चीज को रोकना. Grave is serious. Abandon means leave, to leave somewhere. Recollect is remember, to recall something. Intoxicated is drunk. Denounce means condemn. Means when you are saying something about somebody that he or she is wrong. Then we have comprehend. Comprehend is understand, to understand something. Summit is top of anything. Obstinate is rigid, when someone is very rigid in his things. Is it clear to you exercise to you beta? Exercise B. Now come to exercise C. Replace each word in bold with another word which has a similar meaning. Now here some sentences are given to us and some words are underlined, or actually in your book they are given in bold, but here I have underlined those words, and you have to write down the synonym or similar meaning words for these underlined words. Fine. Means basically we have to write down the synonyms of the underlined words. Here the first sentence is, he went to the railway station to ask if the train was on time. Here underlined or bold words are to ask, means पूछना. That is, you can also write down inquire also. when we do inquiry about something, जब हम किसी के बारे में कुछ पूछताछ करते हैं या हम कुछ पूछते हैं, suppose we are going to the railway station and we are asking whether the train is on time or not. Fine. Now the second sentence is, all the students gathered in the hall for the morning prayer. Here gathered word is in bold or underline. Gathered means assembled. सभी बच्चे इकट्ठा हुए हॉल में फॉर मॉर्निंग प्रेयर. देन थर्ड इज, द मैच विल कमेंस एट 9 o'clock शार्प. कि मैच जो है वो 9 o'clock एग्जैक्ट 9 o'clock स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. तो फॉर कमेंस यू कैन राइट डाउन बोथ बिगिन ऑल्सो, यू कैन राइट डाउन स्टार्ट ऑल्सो, बोथ आर करेक्ट. Then we have, the stadium is round in shape. There is this shape of the stadium is written, it is round in shape. Instead of round you can write circular also. Then the daughter assisted her mother in cooking. जो बेटी है वो उसने अपनी मम्मा की हेल्प की कुकिंग में. तो in place of assisted we can write helped also. As soon as the rain ceased we went out. जैसे ही बारिश रुकी हम बाहर गए. तो instead of ceased we can write down stopped also. The cinema hall was nearly empty. Instead of empty we can write down vacant here because both are synonyms. The police scattered the crowd. Instead of scattered we can write dispersed also. कि जैसे आप लोग डिस्पर्स होते हो, डिस्पर्सल ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स होता है, वैसे ही यहाँ पे क्राउड को डिस्पर्स किया पुलिस ने. इज इट क्लियर टू यू बेटा? एंड रिमेंबर वन थिंग इन दिस एक्सरसाइज, you have to consider the tense also. If the particular word is written in for you in present tense, suppose ask is in present tense, you have to write down the synonym in present tense only. Same way gathered is in past tense, we will write down the synonym of gathered in past tense only. Assembled, don't write assemble. In commence also present, then begin and start are also in present tense. Round is present tense, then circular is also in present tense. Assisted is past tense, we will write down helped, not help. Same way seized, stopped, empty, vacant, scattered, dispersed. And I hope this exercise is clear to you now. Now come to the last exercise of this chapter. Last exercise is match the following. Column 1 and column 2 are given to you and you have to match the words in column 1 with column 2 with their synonyms. Now the first word is obstinate. What is obstinate? Obstinate is stubborn. Stubborn and obstinate means जो हम बोलते हैं ना जिद्दी. तो we'll match obstinate with stubborn. Next we have precise. Precise we will match with exact. Exact is the synonym of precise. Then third we have proprietor. What is proprietor? Proprietor is owner of something. Then we'll match it with owner. Fourth we have quit. Quit means to leave a place. So it will be matched with leave. Then we have rude. Rude will be matched with impolite. When we are not polite to somebody, we are talking in a rude way. Then sixth we have savage. Savage will match with wild. Then holy, you all know, sacred. Then tender. Tender will match with soft. Tender means soft. Then we have unique. Unique means one of its kind. So we will match it with rare because they are difficult to find. And last one is venom. Venom you all know, I hope, it is poison. So we will match venom with poison. Now students, I hope you all have understood these 4 exercises. Now what you have to do is, I am sending you the PDF of the chapter also. Just read out those synonyms and try to understand their meanings because both the synonyms, the word and its synonym has similar meaning. Just read them out and then do this exercise in your fair notebook if you don't have books. But if you have books, then you can do these exercises in your grammar book. It is only for those students who are not having grammar books, they can do these exercises in their fair notebook. Rest can do in their books. Thank you all.